Thank you, Mr. Shivaji. Thank you very much. Sri Anand Bhaskar Rapalu.
Respected Deputy Chairman, before starting my observations on the submission of my esteemed colleague Tiruchi Shivaji for the suitable amendment to the Animal Cruelty Act, I salute the recent Marina March, which has replicated the Dravidian Renaissance, the inherent indigenous, native, traditional emotions and their importance. By reflecting their commitment to the Tamil heritage, which is part of the Dravidian heritage and which is part of the larger Indian heritage, the Marina March has attracted the attention of all the sensitive citizens of the globe. Sir, we have our own cockfights in Andhra Pradesh. We have our own type of bullfights in Rayalaseema. We have our own bull cart races in Telangana. And the variety of races, variety of seasonal and festive related celebrations involving the animals are there all across almost all the nations. With the focus on the Jallikattu, once again, the World Council for the Indigenous Peoples and their indigenous traditional habits, again focusing to enlarge the demand to encourage, sustain and preserve the traditional knowledge and traditional festivity. We have forgotten to protect the earthworm. The protection of earthworm is directly related to the organic farming. The organic farming is directly related to the health of the ecology, environment, human being. In the absence of earthworms, what is happening to the soils all across is very well known, not only to the illiterate farmers of our country, but also extraordinary scientists of the agrarian faculties. But we are not able to protect earthworms. Forget about earthworms, we are not even able to protect the frogs. We are not able to protect the tortoises. Where it is leading to? We advocate, we always champion and speak on the biodiversity, protection of the biodiversity in the latest context. But until and unless we protect the original natural resources like earthworms, frogs, tortoises, are we going to protect the organic farming? Are we going to protect the real agriculture? Recently I was traveling in Maharashtra. I have visited Kanneri Math, Siddhagiri, the place of Kolhapur Maharaja. Shambhaji Maharaj is here in this house. In that Siddhagiri Goshala, I have seen the rarest and rarest breeds of the cattle and cows. Sahiwal, Killer, Dangi, Ongol, all other breeds are not available in original form in the fields of our agriculturists. But I could see the rarest and the rarest breeds of the cows of not only India but also of the world. I have visited Narsimhavadi on the banks of Krishna River, just 70 kilometers away from Kolhapur. There also, the commitment, the care, the concern to protect the original cattle so as to protect the organic farming and to teach the relevance of the indigenous traditional knowledge and the real treasure of our natural breeds. In this context, I once again come to my own states, in particular Andhra Pradesh, Kodi Pandyalu. It looks to be something odd in these modern times, but it is Shastra, respected sir. It is Kukkuta Shastra. It is having the astronomical and astrological relevance. The colors of the cocks, those who are fighting based on the victory of the cocks, those who are in fight, the relevance of the planets and their leadership of the year will be decided. Those were the days, centuries and millennia old. There was the necessity to depend on, because they are not having ready calculations to go ahead with their calendar. They used to depend on this Kukkuta Shastra, cockfights during the time of Sankranti, Mahasankranti, Makara Sankramana. Likewise, Jallikattu and all other traditional forms are having the relevance. Relevance not only to attain their own encouragement and enthusiasm, but also to protect the nativity. Can anybody ensure the hybrid variety of bull to take part in the Jallikattu, or our bullfights in Rayalaseema, or bull cart races in our Telangana? Only the native, original, well-bred bulls alone can take part in such races. These are having the relevance directly to the traditional knowledge and their preservation. Hence, I appreciate the initiative of Tiruchi Shivaji to focus on this vital aspect and to lead towards preservation of the traditional festivities involving animals. At this juncture, in this context, I plead to the modern and the newer generations, while you take part in those traditional heritage-oriented festivities and the competition between the animals, ensure to have the humanitarian ground. Ensure not to give them any sort of anesthesia type of medication just to win your race. This is the reflection of the traditional heritage of Indian subcontinent. To protect that, we need to have the traditional capacities to continue our
Conclude.
activities with the modern understanding of the age-old traditions. For that, the initiative by Tiruchi Shivaji is appreciable and I welcome. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Rapallu ji. Now, Sri Baswaraj.